Okay, good afternoon everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to have a go at Leon's Vice Versa challenge with this ISO Euro lock. Now I'm right-handed and I always pick with the pins, driver pins up. So obviously going to switch it around, vice it up and see how we get on. Great challenge as well, Leon. If you haven't already checked his channel out, then Leon's Lock Pad, well worth checking out. Okay, here we go. Just feels so awkward already. So click out of 1, click out of 2, click out of 3, a little one out of 4, a little out of 5. And back we go. What I've done, I've just taken a Dremel to the majority of the pins. Got some serrated pins there. Just a couple of spools and a T-pin as well, just to make it interesting. Now I've had a few goes at this, but it just feels so weird doing it left-handedly. But I have managed to get it open a couple of times, so let's just hope that it's not camera shy and get it open at a reasonable time. Okay, let's click out of 4. Full set there. Switch pegs to a slightly more shallow hook just to get to the back. You can hear the rain, it's absolutely teeming down at the moment. That's good. Okay, back to medium hook, and we're open. Superb, that wasn't too bad. Okay, get this vice out the way, slow this down a bit, there we go. I've already taken the clip off the back just to speed things up a little bit. T-pin's just got stuck there. Just get the pick and just push that down. There we go. Like that. Okay, so pin 1, standard in pin 1, serrated in pin 2. That's what we're doing. 3 is an ASA, reduced diameter in the top of that one, and a standard. And the core, we've got threading in 2, 3 and 4. Tweezers there. That's good. Okay. T-pin and 1, nice spool, and 2, serrated in 3, serrated in 4. Spool in 5. springs. Just get that there. Oh, there we go. Okie dokie, zoom in. So, standard, got serration on that one, an ASA driver in that one. Got like a little reduced at the top there, standard in 5, T-pin. T-pin 1, spool 2, straight in 3, 1, serration in 4, and spool in 5. Well, that's a fun challenge, Leon. Excellent. There's my zoom out there, and there's my challenge complete. Thanks ever so much. See you again. Bye.